Hello students, welcome to class. Today we're looking at the dairy industry. I'm showing you this video that has appeared over on TikTok. In case you didn't know, every time you drink a glass of milk, you're paying for somebody to kidnap a baby cow. This happens everywhere, in every country. Baby cows are taken away from their mothers so that humans can steal the milk. Do you eat at McDonald's? If you've ever had a burger with cheese, you're paying for this. If you ever eat yogurt, you're paying for this. If you drink cow's milk, you're paying for this. Baby cows belong with their mothers. Exploiting animals is cruel, unnecessary, and evil. Imagine if people took puppies away from their mothers and did this to them, isolated them, kidnapped them, and then stole the milk from a dog. Nobody would be okay with it. These baby cows are no different. Did you know that this happens? Maybe you didn't know. But now you know. And when you know better, you can do better. And you can promise from now on to stop drinking any cow's milk and stop eating any dairy products. You can take this vegan promise right now. Let's read the card together. My vegan promise, no more dairy. I, say your name out loud, promise to stop consuming all dairy products because I don't want to be cruel to cows. Since I learned that the dairy industry is a cycle of kidnapping, sexual assault, torture, enslavement, and murder, I no longer want to buy anything that comes from there. I prefer to be kind, so I will only choose vegan options from now on. Soy milk is an alternative. Thank you to everybody who is here and who cares about animals. Thank you to everybody who is trying hard to have an open mind when I know that so many of you have been brainwashed and have no idea what really goes on. Here's another vegan promise about dairy. I promise to stop drinking cow's milk because I'm against kidnapping babies. I refuse to support the greedy dairy industry because they take baby cows away from their mothers to sell their milk. I know kidnapping babies is wrong because I would never want it done to someone I love. If you know that this is wrong, then I encourage you to choose today to be your Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Today is a perfect day for you to decide to never drink cow's milk again. Make yourself a card like this. This is mine. I wrote my name here and I wrote the date, June 27th, 2016. That's the day that I decided to stop hurting animals, to stop hurting any animal, to stop kidnapping them, to stop going close to them, to observe them if it was scaring them. Yes, it's okay to observe a butterfly or a bee, but don't frighten them. Don't take whales out of the ocean. Don't wear any fur. Don't needlessly kill anyone. Don't eat chickens or steal their eggs. Don't eat cows. Never go to McDonald's. Never eat anything that hurts an innocent animal. Never eat any one. Do not drink cow's milk or cheese. Do not eat ice cream that comes from this. Choose the vegan versions. Go vegan for life. Eat fruits, not friends. Eat chickpeas, not chickens. Give peas a chance. This is my message today. Thank you for being here. Thank you very much for caring about the animals. And in case you didn't yet know, you were actually born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals. It is not in your nature to eat them, to wear them, or use them. This is something that you were taught. Here's a card and why I say that we were born vegan. Let's read it together. You were born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals. When you were little, if you were put in a room with a rabbit and a banana, it would never have occurred to you to bite the bunny. Your instinct would have been to love and protect the rabbit, not harm her. When you were small, you played with toys that looked like animals, and you loved to learn about them in books. Sadly, over time, you were brainwashed to pay people to murder and steal from animals instead of being taught to remain vegan. Thankfully, though, you can go back to your roots and be vegan again. So join us and make today your Happy Vegan Declaration Day. There are so many different options to choose from as well when it comes to foods. For example, one thing you can do to make sure to stay healthy is to eat more kale salad. Kale salad is amazing. 1 cup of kale contains 177 milligrams of calcium. There are so many recipes that you can look up on the internet or even just go to ChatGPT. Here's another card that says, eat more lentils. Lentils are amazing. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains 18 grams of protein. According to nutritionfacts.org, lentils contain fiber and many vitamins and minerals which help you stay healthy. And they're so easy to make. Even kids can learn how to cook them. Another food that you can eat is chickpeas. These are also so easy to find. They contain 15 grams of protein per cup. Thank you very much to everybody who is here. Thank you to everybody who understands the need for a vegan world. And thank you so much to everybody who is subscribed. If you'd like to see more of these kinds of videos, if you'd like to learn how to be vegan, definitely subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss any videos going forward. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Look around. There are over 3,000 videos on YouTube that I have created about the subject of helping animals, including songs and all kinds of other things, interviews. Everything you can imagine is there. Let's protect the animals from now on. Let's be vegan from now on. Thank you.